It don't matter who makes the F-22, they're great flying planes. Take it up, kill the motor. Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Airline Modelers Club Hurricane we got going here. Going to take up the 70mm F-22 from Freewing, and excuse my voice, I'm getting over a cold, but I've tried to fly this a couple of days ago, or a couple of weeks ago, and I had a Lemon RX Gen 2, and for whatever reason, I don't know if I damaged the antenna or something, but it wouldn't pass its range test, and I repositioned the antennas and it still kind of would, but I lost faith in it, so now I have a Spectrum 8-channel receiver in here with safe and safe select and all that kind of good jazz. So basically I just wiped the model clean and stirred it over, so it's a remaiden of sorts.
No gyro. AS3X mode.
But it already passed its range test without any issue at all. This has the Freewing brand afterburner in it. Alrighty, start timer set for 4 minutes. High rates. Don't need flaps right now going into the wind.
Retract away.
Running an SMC high voltage pack at the high voltage rate. We'll take it up now. Not sure what kind of airplane that is flying around. A lot higher than me though. It don't matter who makes the F-22, they're great flying planes. Take it up, kill the motor.
Time remaining 3 minutes. The gear is down. Land this bird.
Now, almost touched.
Retract, tuck away.
We'll do a touch and go, but didn't quite work out that way.
The gear is down. Land this bird.
There.
Retract, tuck away.
I'll take it out now.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Take it up. I do love the F-22s. They are so much fun to fly.
The gear is down. Land this bird. Landing flaps. Flaps up. 1 minute. Retracts tucked away. The gear is down. Land this bird.
Flies pretty good on that Spectrum
Landing flaps.
receiver.
30 seconds. $20 seconds. Braking. Cruise mode. Braking. Land the plane before you lose her. Cruise motor all chilled out.
All right, 2 seconds over on a 4-minute timer. Let's go over the rates and everything first. The rates, their flying rates I just flew in. 100% throws, 30% expo. On aileron and elevator, rudder, 50% expo. And this is what that looks like. Okay. Flap systems. There is a mix. Flaps up, negative 100%. Takeoff flaps.
Takeoff flaps.
Negative 50% with a 5% down elevator mix. Landing
flaps.
50% with an 8% down elevator mix. 2-second deployment. All right, forward programming.
Flaps up.
Let me go ahead and capture my gains real quick because I was happy with how they were doing. Okay. Roll, pitch, and yaw on AS3X Plus gains 9, 12, and 14. Those are now captured because I like those. Priority all at 100 on roll, pitch, and yaw. Nothing with heading. Stop lock all at 50 on roll, pitch, and yaw. Gain sensitivity, one-time gain. Stop, like I say, there's nothing with release rate, just stop lock. And the nose wheel gyro, which is what I'm using, it is a 50% window, 50% heading. Nope, sorry. 50% window with a 40% rate gain. A little bit smaller of a plane. And remember, I do not have that tied with the adjustable gains. I have that as a set non-adjustable gain on the nose wheel. Okay, I got something on my back. All right, let's go over CG and a few features of the plane. Like I mentioned before, it's a 70 millimeter. Okay. CG is, I don't have the numbers, but it's actually on the wing. You can actually feel it. Maybe I can keep it. Actually, she's perfectly level right there. All right, on the CG marks, I've got her on the CG. She's perfectly level where I have the battery at right now. So that's good. I could actually probably even stand to move the battery and have a slightly favoring tail heading. You've got plastic cladding here. The nose is all plastic. Around the battery bay is plastic. The gear, oh, hit the mic, go up pretty darn quick, so you don't really have to worry so much about timing it. Only them gear doors take a little bit of time. Are you in autofocus now? Okay. All right. Sorry. The black dot. Oh, sorry. The CG is I got it written 108 millimeters back from the leading edge root of the wing, where the wing touches the fuse. Now, this is one of those quick release wings. So, if you see white, it ain't all right. If it's gray, you see gray, only gray, it's okay. That's just how I remember it. Okay, because if that comes out, then your wing easily pops out. You got the one ribbon cable, slide it back in, pop it into place. And this is just about the perfect size because you shouldn't really have to take the wings off. All right, now in reference to that CG, this is where I have the SMC pack. That is a 40, I think it's a 4900. Yeah, it's a 4900 when charged at the high voltage rate, which is what it is today. And we have 24% left with 37, 37, 38, 37, 37, 38, 36. Okay, so I got one cell's a little out of balance, but it's okay. All right, and that is a, yeah, 4900 SMC pack. 4200 if you charge at regular rate, 4900 if you charge it at the 4.35 rate, which is what I did in this case. It's got a Freewing brand afterburner. So there you go, folks. That is the 70mm F-22 from Motion RC, sold by Motion RC, made by Freewing. Great flying F-22. It flies, I think I've got the exact same rates in this one as I do the 80 and the 90, because they're pretty much the same plane, and just one's bigger than the other. But this is a great compact size. Make sure you check out the link. It's not an affiliate link, I'm not affiliated with it, but it'll take you directly to the product page. You can get all the nitty-gritty on the plane and the PDF file for the instructions and everything. I like reading that. And thank you so much for watching, folks. Camera Precious, thank you for filming. Jesus is Lord. And folks, don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and F-22 70mm from Freewing. Bye, y'all.